Section 3.6, multiple and combined assignment operators. So based on everything that we've seen so far, we know that a statement like this x equals x plus 5 takes what's on the right and assigns it to what's on the left. So taken together, this statement adds 5 to x and stores the result back in x, or in other words, increases x by 5. Increasing or decreasing a value by a certain amount is a common operation. In fact, there are combined assignment operators that are shorthand for doing just that. X equals x plus 5, or sum equals sum plus 1. X equals x plus 5 is equivalent to x plus equals 5. Sum equals sum plus 1 is equivalent to sum plus equals 1. In fact, adding 1 to a variable is so common that there's even yet another equivalent way of saying that, which is sum plus plus. The minus sign has a combined assignment operator as well. Sum equals sum minus 1 decreases the value of sum by 1. That's the same as sum minus equals 1 or sum minus minus. The plus plus and the minus minus are known as the increment and decrement operators, respectively. Next up, times equals multiplies a value by a certain amount. X times equals 10, or sum times equals 2, makes sum twice as large as it was, and that's equivalent as sum equals sum times 2. Next, divided by equals. A divided by equals b is equivalent to a equals a divided by b, or sum equals sum divided by 2. That's equivalent to sum divided by equals 2. That'll take a divided by b and store the result back in a. Or in this case, take sum divided by 2 and store the result back in sum. With our modulus operator, c modulus equals 3, or 2, sum equals sum modulus 2, is equivalent to sum modulus equals 2. And that stores the remainder after dividing sum by 2 back into sum. So let's do some examples. So what if we have an int variable called x and it's 6? What will the new value of x be after the statement x plus equals 4 runs? Yeah, it'll be 10 because, how come? Awesome. It's the same as x equals x plus 4. Nice learning. So the 6 plus 4 will be 10, and then the result will get stored back into x. How about x minus equals 3 if x starts as 6? Yeah, the result will be 3. So this has the effect of decreasing x by 3. If we have x times equals 10 and x starts as 6, the result will be 60, 10 times larger than it was. And x divided by equals 2 if x is 6. To start, then x will have a new value of 3. X divided by equals 4 if x is 6. What will the new value of x be? it'll be 2. And how come? Nice. The remainder. Awesome. Cool. So the remainder when you divide 6 by 4 is 2. Yeah, so that 2 will get stored into x. Perfect. So it's the remainder. Nice. Awesome. Thanks, Eugene. Finally, C++ supports multiple assignment. This means that it's possible to modify the values of multiple variables with the assignment operator. So here's just a quick example statement. X equals Y equals Z equals 5 starts with assigning 5 to Z, then to Y, then to X. So the statement will cause 5 to be stored to all 3 variables, X, Y, and Z. Okay.